Yes. Before starting the new chapter, just tell me what are the changes or what you observed when you born? क्या changes देखे आपने? What you observed? Is there any change in your brother or sister, है ना? And you? Is there any change? Yes, Jayant, unmute yourself.
height increase हो जाती है.
Okay, you are saying that is the
vocal
height.
cords.
That so you are saying the particular, na? You are saying the particular things. But what actually you are saying height? Height means growth. Okay. So yes. What actually we observed, that is the growth. So today we will discuss the new chapter, that is reaching the age of adolescence. Adolescence. Now you are saying you saw the change in your brother or sister as the height, vocal cord, है ना? These are the very particular things. ठीक है? Height है, vocal cord, that means the voice change, है ना? Height, mustaches, all. So when this occur, when this start, ठीक है? This comes under a particular age. As when we born, all of us, we are familiar by seeing the physical character, we came to know that this is a boy or a girl. Okay? What actually the changes we observed at the time of the adolescence? What is the meaning of adolescence? What is the meaning of adolescence? That means the changes, okay, which differentiate, which enhance our reproductive characters. Reproductive characters that are called, that stage is called adolescence. मतलब life में the period of life, like firstly when we born, after 2 years, up to 2 years, we are saying this is the infancy age. Then we grow a little bit, है ना? Height increase, size and all that. When we start walking and all that, then we will say ये क्या है? Childhood stage. ठीक है? After that, then number of the changes we observed. हमें गुस्सा आना शुरू हो जाता है, mustaches आ गई, हमारे mood change हो जाते हैं. That time, that stage is called the adolescence. ठीक है? Growth जो है and reproduction, these are the two basic characters in human being. ठीक है? Animals as well as human being, they grow at a particular age. Height increase हुई, number of changes you observe. अब firstly, when the child born, so physically, why we can see this is a boy or a girl, we can differentiate. Okay? After that, that stage is called infancy, infant. Okay? Then he starts walking. Okay? Then we say the childhood age. हम कहते हैं बच्चे हैं अभी, right? At the age of 13, जो आपकी teen age हम जिस word को बोलते हैं, उस time पे जाके आप में बहुत सारे changes आते हैं. You observe the number of the changes. Your mood swings change, है ना? Easily like anger आता है आपको, गुस्सा आ गया, है ना? Sometimes you laugh. So these are the different changes that is particular in the at the time of, you can say, adolescent, teenage. That starts from the 13 to 19. ठीक है? After that, when you become fully mature, then we will say adulthood. ठीक है? That at time we say adulthood. So what is the meaning of adolescence? Write down the definition of adolescence. Is this point clear, beta? The number of the changes we observed at this particular age, that is 13 to 19, that is called adolescence. The period of life when the body undergoes, the period of life when the body, है ना? When the body undergoes, ठीक है? ऐसा life में the period that comes when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, leading to reproductive maturity, and it comes 13 to 19 years, we can say, and this age is called teenage. Is this point clear beta? कि the life period, वो period हमारी life में at the time of when we born and when we die, before that one period is there that is called adolescence, and that is between 13 to 19 years. ठीक है? When leading to reproductive maturity, reproductive organs are present when we born. That I already discussed कि when we born, in the reproduction chapter we already discussed कि female and male reproductive system we discussed. Now the male and the female reproductive system that is present in our body, when these body parts become active, reproductive maturity, at that time we will say adolescent period. Is this point clear? Is this point clear to everyone? Right? When these become active, matlab the reproductive parts become active and they start to produce. In reproduction chapter we discussed, in male testes they produce the sperms. Okay, that means the sperms, agar hum ek word use kar rahe hain, when it starts to producing, like when it becomes, the testes become mature enough to produce the sperms, or okay, females they produce the eggs, at that time that particular age is called puberty. Write down the next definition, puberty. Write down puberty. Adolescence, that is the period. What is puberty? What is puberty? The age at which sex hormones, the age at which sex hormones and sex gametes begin to produce begin to produce करो, reproduce मत करना, begin to produce the age at which sex hormones and sex gametes begin to produce, ठीक है, उस स्टेज को हम बोलते हैं puberty, at which boy or a girl, मतलब either boy, और अगर हम बात करें girl, boy or a girl becomes sexually mature, that time is called puberty. ठीक है? Adolescence, that is the period of life, means 13 to 19 the period, but 13 जो age है 13 years, when your reproductive organ actually becomes mature to produce the reproductive hormone, मतलब sex hormones or sex gametes, when they start to reproduce, that time is called the puberty. Difference clear है? What is actually adolescence? What is puberty? Adolescence is the period, ठीक है, that is 13 to 18 या 13 to 19, but puberty when it starts, ठीक है, when the changes you observed in your body, that is called puberty. At the stage or the age at which we observe the changes in our body, at that time this is called puberty. When a boy or a girl becomes sexually mature, that is called the puberty. Right? Now tell me, what are the changes? I am saying ki changes we observed. Changes, what are the changes that we observed at the time of the puberty? Yes, who will tell the changes that we observed? I'm just writing the heading, wait. Write down the heading first, then we will write down. Write down the heading. Changes, ठीक है? Write down heading, changes at puberty and adolescence. Puberty and adolescence. What are the changes that you observe at the time of the puberty and adolescence? Yes, Karan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, height increases, hair growth.
Right. First point, as Karan is saying, height increases. So write down increase in height. This is the main जो difference है we observe. Okay. Yes, Akshima, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, voice change, hair growth.
Change in voice. Okay. Change in voice. Okay. Hair growth we can write. Yes, Jayant, एक second. Yes, Jayant, unmute yourself.
मैम सेक्स हॉर्मोन्स मैम प्रोड्यूस होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है.
Sex hormone start. Bani, unmute yourself.
Change in body structure.
Body structure, body shape. Yes, definitely this is the main change we observed. Change in body shape. Change in body shape. Write down the fourth. As the Jayant said, क्या होता है हमारे में सेक्स हार्मोन? दैट इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेक्स हार्मोन्स. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेक्स हार्मोन्स. हाँ जी. यस, गुरनूर, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा. What are the other changes?
Hair growth.
Hair growth, right, लिखती हूँ मैं. Hair growth, okay. Hair growth on body parts. Okay. Any other point? Hair growth on body parts. Any other point? Any other you observed? Anvay, you observed something on your body at the time of the puberty? All of you, mostly all of you are 13, 14. So have you observed some changes? Yes, Anvay? Any change? No change? Bani, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, change in emotions.
Change in
Emotions.
इमोशंस. डेफिनेटली, बिल्कुल आपके इमोशंस जो हैं वो चेंज होते हैं. मेंटली, यू कैन से इंटेलेक्चुअल, आप में डेवलपमेंट होती है. यू आर बिकम मेच्योर इनफ. इस टाइम पे आप मेच्योर होते हो. इमोशनली यू आर अटैच्ड विद योर पीयर ग्रुप. मतलब as compared to the parents, you are most probably all of you are attached to the friends group. मतलब friends के साथ ज्यादा attachment है. ठीक है. तो we can write down the कह सकते हैं reaching mental, intellectual, आप में डेवलपमेंट होती है मेंटल, इंटेलेक्चुअल एंड इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी. इमोशनल, ठीक है. आप लोगों में इंटेलेक्चुअल मतलब डेवलपमेंट, ब्रेन डेवलप होता है. इमोशंस आपके बहुत हाई मतलब पीक लेवल पे. इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी. एनी अदर चेंज जो हमने छोड़ दिया हो, कहीं कुछ रह गया? हाँ, वन मोर पॉइंट वी कैन ऐड. ऑल ऑफ यू ऑब्जर्व कि एट द टाइम ऑफ द एडोलेसेंस pimples or the acnes are there, है ना. secretion of the oil is more. ठीक है. when we will touch our face, sometime we feel the oily skin, है ना. so that means at this time जो sweat and the sebation, and sometime you observe कि very stinky smell, मतलब जो when you will wear your clothes, so you observe the smell, the sweat smell is there. that is the very stinky smell. that is also due to the hormone changes. ठीक है. So we can write down increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Sebaceous means जो oil glands जो है, when they will release the secretions जिससे acne and pimples होते हैं. ठीक है. sweat and sebaceous gland. ठीक है, write down these points. Then we will discuss the first point in a proper manner. These are the changes that we observed, और मैंने random लिखी हैं, that we observed in the male and female both, boys and girls में we observed. So write down the first point again, that is increase in height. Write down the first point, increase in height. Now what comes under this? All of you know height जो है, if we will see the height in the boys and the girls, है ना, जो height है most probably girls जो है they become taller as compared to the boys. ठीक है, but when the boys comes in like 9th or the 10th, after that they shoot up their height. हाइट जो है वो शूट अप होती है, बट गर्ल्स में हाइट जो है वो पहले डेवलप होती है, पहले ग्रोथ हो जाती है. एट द टाइम ऑफ द प्यूबर्टी, व्हेन द प्यूबर्टी स्टार्ट, व्हेन देयर रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स प्रॉपर्ली डेवलप एंड कम्स मतलब फंक्शनिंग, एट दैट टाइम हाइट इंक्रीज नहीं होती इन केस ऑफ द गर्ल्स. ठीक है, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली समटाइम वी ऑब्जर्व कि जो गर्ल्स हैं और मतलब इधर गर्ल्स और द बॉयज they are taller, like अगर हम देखें तो 12-13 में भी they are getting their proper height, boys और girls में वो भी होती है. that totally depend upon the hereditary factor. sometime parents बहुत लंबे होते हैं तो आगे बच्चे भी लंबे होते हैं. ठीक है, but most probably girls are taller in 13-14 age as compared to the boys. ठीक है, so write down how and where मतलब increase जो है during puberty there is sudden increase. You observed during puberty when you comes under the 13 age now, at that time immediately sudden increase in your height. And why this height, like why sudden increase? Because the increase in the length of like bones की जो length है bones increase होती है. So write down during puberty there is sudden increase in height. There is sudden increase in height, है ना. अब ये हाइट इंक्रीज एकदम से सडनली क्यों इंक्रीज होती है? बिकॉज इट इज ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन द लेंथ ऑफ, इट इज ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन लेंथ ऑफ बोन्स of arms and legs. हमारी जो लेंथ है bones की that is increasing. legs, ठीक है, along with the internal organs. क्लियर बेटे? इज इट क्लियर बच्चा? एंड मोस्टली वी कैन से जो हाइट है ना, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन 2 फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, किस पे? नंबर 1 एज आई एम सेइंग हेरिडिटरी, दैट इज इनहेरिटेंस. पेरेंट्स लंबे हैं तो समटाइम लाइक यू ऑब्जर्व बच्चे भी टॉल होते हैं. एंड द मेजर factor on which the height depend, that is the nutrition. This is the main factor, nutrition. If we are taking proper nutrients, if we are taking proper balanced diet, taking all the vitamins like carbohydrate, fats, all these things in a very proper manner, fruits हम proper खा रहे हैं, milk we are taking, right, protein we are taking, then height will increase. So the main 2 factors to increase the height, that is inheritance, that is to totally depend upon ki what the genes are coming, है ना. But the second and the most important factor, that is the nutrition, that is the nutrition. ठीक है, for this how we can see कि there is a change in the height between girls and the boys, why girls become taller as compared to the boys in the teenage, matlab starting of the teenage. Why the height of the girl stopped? What is actually, how we can calculate the average growth of rate? Average growth कैसे देख सकते हैं? So the activity is given. Write down. You have to learn the formula in your book. Chart is given. If this question will come in exam, so chart will be given to you. Write down the activity. पहले name लिख लो, then I will explain. To study the average rate of, to study the average rate of growth, to study the average rate of growth in height, growth in height, to study the average rate of growth in height of boys and girls, height of boys and girls with respect to age. With respect to age. Wait a while. Now look, is it visible to everyone? बच्चे visible है सबको? Bani, visible? Okay. Now you can see there is one chart is given in your book. ठीक है? The following chart ये देखो. The following chart gives the average rate of the height in the boys and the girls with the age. ठीक है? These are the changes, and you can see, as I'm saying, at the time of the 13, when the puberty starts, you can see boys' height is 88% increase, whereas in the girls 95%. Okay, see the difference. See the difference at the time of the puberty. Girls are 95% taller. मतलब maximum height हो चुकी है उनकी at the time of the 13. ठीक है? But in case of the boys, it is just 88%. And if this kind of the numerical, मतलब if the numerical will come in the exam, you have to write down this formula and solve it. How we will calculate the full height? Full height, ठीक है, सेंटीमीटर्स में we are calculating. ठीक है जी, कैसे? What is your present height? आपकी present height कितनी है? In centimeter we will calculate बेटा. ठीक है? Present height divided by percentage of the height that is given in the chart. Percentage of height multiply by 100. Like if I am saying, if the numerical will come, okay, percentage of full height, you can write the full formula लिख लो. Percentage of full height in chart. ठीक है? Most of you had seen in the, when we used to go to the doctor, तो doctors के वहाँ पे जो child specialist होते हैं, they are having the height chart table is there. ठीक है? So this is what, if I am saying a 9 years or a 10 years boy, if it is having a 120 centimeter height, उसकी जो present height है वो 120 centimeter है. ठीक है? अब divided by the present percentage of full height. 9 year boy की percentage देखो कितनी given है यहाँ? See in the chart 75%. Multiply by 100. 25 threes are, 25 fours are, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 4 fours are, 16 or 0, 160 centimeter taller. Is it clear how we will calculate? Bache, is it clear how we will calculate? Is it clear beta how we will calculate this height? If the numerical will come, all of you are able to solve it. But if numerical will come, तो आपको ये chart given होगा. We will provide this chart कि boys and the girls, the percentage of full height will be given to you. And then you have to calculate the how much taller he or she is. Is this point clear, bete? Anyone is having any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? ठीक है? Is it clear? ये देखो numerical given 160 centimeter tall, and there they show the graph also. If we will ask you, so we will give you the 2-3 values and we will tell you to depict in the form of the graph. Then we will show it what are the changes या the average height what we observe. Clear बेटे? Clear है? ठीक है? Most probably जो height है that is mostly जितनी भी हम कहते हैं that is similar to the some family member. हमारे family members के साथ होती है because depend upon the genes जो inherited from the parents, the genes that we inherited from our parents, that is moving on, and mostly height जो होती है that depends upon your inheritance. ठीक है? But if you will eat proper nutrition, again and again I am saying, if we will eat proper food, no junk foods, then definitely we will observe the change in our height. ठीक है? Growing years में, that's why most of the time we used to say avoid junk food in this time. Growing years में avoid junk food, use मतलब drink milk 2 or 3 times. ठीक है? Because at this age growth of bones, muscle, other body parts, इन सबको nourishment चाहिए. All they require the nutrition for their proper growth. So that's why we are saying adolescent period is a very particular age, क्योंकि इस time पे you need proper diet, you need proper care. ठीक है? Number of the things you have to learn in this particular age. Is this point clear? Next point discuss करें. Next discuss करें बेटा. Okay. Now the main first height हो गया. After that we observe body shape. आपने देखा होगा बॉडी शेप में बहुत चेंज आता है. एज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स सेपरेटली, तो आपने देखा है बॉयज में डिफरेंट चेंजेस यू ऑब्जर्व, गर्ल्स में डिफरेंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट वी विल डिस्कस चेंज इन बॉडी शेप. नाउ यू विल टेल मी व्हाट आर द चेंजेस यू ऑब्जर्व इन बॉयज, वी विल डिस्कस सेपरेटली, and in girls. What are the changes that you observe in your body? Hanji, anyone? Anyone? No changes you observed? No changes in your body? Hanji Prabal, unmute yourself.
Wide.
Height to be discussed. What are the changes?
Ma'am, shoulders become wide.
Shoulder become broader. Definitely boys में shoulders जो हैं वो broader हो जाते हैं. Shoulder become broader. ठीक है? Chest wider. ठीक है? और chest wider. What are the other changes? In shape. बच्चा नो चेंज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन योर बॉडी. ये सबनी नो चेंज. अक्षिमा, एंजल, नो चेंज. Yes, Bani, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, in girls there are breast growth.
Sorry?
Ma'am, in girls there are breast growth.
Yes, development of breast. Development of breast. Yes, definitely. Hanji Dhairya, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself and then tell.
Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands.
बॉडी शेप की बात कर रहे हैं. अभी शेप में क्या चेंज आ रहा है, मतलब हाउ यू लुक. पहले यू आर जस्ट लुकिंग एज अ वेरी चाइल्ड, बच्चे लगते हो, है ना. चाइल्डहुड में यू आर हैविंग अ चाइल्ड लाइक, आप में चेंजेस नहीं है. एज एट दिस टाइम योर बॉडी में क्या चेंज है, that to be already discussed, the increase in the sweat and sebaceous gland, that is the common change. We will discuss that point also, ki why it happened. But what are the changes in your body? Hanji Anve, unmute yourself.
वो एडम्स एप्पल.
Yes, we can say definitely. Adam's apple prominent हो जाता है, बिल्कुल. Adam's apple prominent. Yes, this is a your in मतलब you observed in your body. और muscle, growth of muscles. Muscles and bones. ठीक है. समटाइम यू ऑब्जर्व बॉयज में इस एज में आके बहुत ज्यादा एक पावर से आनी शुरू हो जाती है ना, क्योंकि उनकी बोन्स भी बहुत हार्ड एंड द मसल्स. ठीक है. ग्रोथ ऑफ मसल्स एंड बोन्स. एनी अदर? जी प्रबल, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस गुरनूर, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मैम ये एडम्स एप्पल क्या होता है?
Voice box beta, we already discussed in the sound chapter also. Yes Gurnoor, unmute yourself beta.
Development in the hair.
हाँ, growth of hair on the body parts, definitely. वो body shape में, but वो shape नहीं है. Shape नहीं means what are the changes? आपने देखा है जो girls है उनके hips जो हैं वो broader होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. स्पेशली एट दिस टाइम पे ना, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं ना, स्पेशली मदर्स, दे यूज टू से कि बेटा डोंट वियर हील्स एंड ऑल दैट, डोंट वियर हील्स. वो इसीलिए बिकॉज जो ब्रॉडर मतलब जो हिप्स हैं वो ब्रॉड होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट डाउन हिप्स गेन वेट, हिप्स गेन वेट. ठीक है. हिप्स गेन weight and the region below the waist and the below the waist become wider. ठीक है. Become wider. So these are the changes in the body shape. You observe these changes at the time of the puberty.